All right, these are the instructions for Station 1 on the week of 9/17. So you're going to be doing something a little different. You're definitely going to have your headphones for this. What we're going to be looking at here is something that kind of relates back to The Outsiders when Johnny killed Bob DeSoche. And so it's something we got to think about is, do juvenile killers deserve life behind bars? So what you're going to do first is you're going to watch the video. If you click the link, it should pull it right up for you. And watch the video, and I want you to think about it, about having someone that is under 18, having to spend the rest of their life in jail for killing someone. So that would be life without parole, life without the ability to ever getting out of jail, and let that sink in as you listen to it, and then apply that to the common lit. So what you're going to do is you're going to come down here, you click on the link here, it'll pull up the video for you. Again, just have your headphones so that you can listen to it. It is about a 6-minute video, so go ahead and listen to that. Once you've finished with that, go ahead and log into Common Lit. And I want you to take your time with this. This is a more difficult passage, but it is on an 8th grade level, or excuse me, a 9th grade level. So you're going to have to really take your time and work through this. And I don't mind you using a partner, but what I do want you to do is make sure that we're thinking about the central idea, which I'll give you notes for in class. But read it from top to bottom. Read your title. You're also going to read the gray box that's going to give you some background information. But as you read, identify the different arguments presented in the article. Then identify the reasoning and evidence that each side uses to defend their position. So if you come over here, you're able to click a button. It's called the highlight text button. It's right here. So when you find that information, you're going to first highlight it here. And then when it turns blue, you're going to come over here and click the highlight text. That leaves it highlighted for you. That way you can easily spot it, and you can easily identify the evidence as to why people choose um, for people to argue for juveniles to be serving life in prison, and for juveniles to not spend that time. So as you go through, you'll have the guiding questions here. You'll just answer those as you go. There's actually 7 of those. And then when you finish, I want you to go to the assessment. Okay, this is what I want you to really focus on, and be sure with your answer. You can use partners here. So again, be sure that you're taking your time when you're answering this. Finish the assessment. Go to the discussion question. How would you characterize Arkansas's Attorney General Dustin McDaniel's statement? So look at the statement, find the paragraph. The one thing that we don't know is what the potential of life would be that was snuffed out of the crime. So, what does he mean? What is he trying to tell us, or what does he try to convince us of when he makes this statement? So, answer that. And then, do you find the story of Charles Dutton compelling or inspirational? And that is the next one, and then the third one there, and the fourth one. So on and so forth. This will take quite a bit of time. You'll have some time on Friday to complete it, but be sure that we're not rushing through it. If you have any questions, let me know. This is a non-headphone section, unless you're using the text-to-speech to help you listen to it, and that will be as I allow. But if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll be happy to help.